Hey folks, warm and rather muggy night across the valley. Temperatures in the upper 70s right now. 77 Port Isabel, Raymondville, Harlingen. A little warmer when you go west. McAllen and Edinburgh both at 79. Rio Grande City at 78. These are your forecast lows tonight. We stay in the 70s all night long. Warm and humid conditions across the area. Not exactly early November-like, and tomorrow's high is not exactly November-like either, upper 80s and low 90s, but it does take all day to get there, so most of the day spent in the 70s and the 80s. Look at the next 3 days. The normal high for this time of year is 84, and we're going 90, 91, 91, and we're going to stay up there not just the next 3 days, but probably the next 7 days. I just don't see anything changing it. All that moisture was out in the Gulf of Mexico this morning. It has since moved on out of here, and that's left us with mainly clear skies tonight. Just patchy clouds, but nothing to speak of. And Future Track says most of the night will be mostly clear, and most of tomorrow will be mostly sunny. Keyword there, mostly, because it's going to be mostly hot for the next few days as well. Look at Friday. Kind of a mix of clouds and sun, but for the most part, it's sunshine again. And it's going to be that way for the next 7 days. We're dry, dry, dry Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Big picture across Texas shows most of the state clearing out tonight. Not much going on from here all the way up into the Panhandle. No fronts in the state, nothing really to work with. Temperatures cooling as they should this time of night. 67 across most of north and northwest Texas, 59 tonight in Dalhart. So let's watch Future Track. Overnight, nothing happens. Some clouds come in. It's warm and humid. That's about it. We go forward into Friday. It's still warm and humid. Front on the map, look at that. Here it comes. Nope, that one dies long before it gets here. So the big words, warm and humid, don't go away. In fact, those words are not going to go away through at least Wednesday of next week, if not longer than that, because there's no more fronts until at least late Wednesday or Thursday at the earliest. So just count on this warm, humid weather sticking around for a while. At our coast, here's what's going on. Winds around to the south tomorrow, 10 to 15. A moderate chop. UV is high. No advisories for tomorrow. A moderate risk of rip currents. The tides show a low at 8:07 in the morning, a high at 3:22 in the afternoon. Seas about 2 to 4 feet. The surf's at 78 in the bay. A little cooler at 73 degrees. So for tonight, skies stay partly cloudy. It's warm. It's humid. Southeasterly winds, a low tonight of around 72 degrees, about 8 degrees above average for this time of year. Likewise, the high tomorrow is about 6 degrees above normal, a high of 90. Mostly sunny, warm and humid. Don't see any rain at all. That southeast wind picks up 10 to 17, so it's a warm and humid afternoon across the valley. 90 tomorrow, 91 Friday, 91 again on Saturday. Look at those lows in the low 70s. Plenty of sunshine each day. That goes for Sunday as well. Yes, that's the day you set your clock back an hour. And then next week, no real changes. We take it to 89, but again, mostly sunny skies, lows in the low 70s, highs close to 90. No changes expected for the next few days. I think we continue to see sunshine, warm, humid conditions, but the big thing is this is that weekend, the one weekend a year that you get that extra hour of sleep.
We like that.
Set the clock back 1 hour Saturday night, Sunday morning, and sleep in just a little bit longer. But that's not a typical November forecast by any
November
means.
1st. I was getting a little spoiled by October.
Right. We had a nice cool down at the end of the month, but
Yeah.
November off to a warm start. It'll balance out at some point.
All right.
Just hard to say when, but it will.
All right.
Enjoy.
Looking forward to it.
Enjoy
Thanks
it.
so much, Tim. And that was weather. We'll have the final update on Game 7 of the World Series. Very exciting already.
Big game.
And Joelle will have the Gridiron Heroes. That's next in sports. Stay with us.